Do you want Convert Evernote file to image file without any changes? If yes, download BitRecover Evernote Converter software. It is a powerful and reliable solution to convert multiple Evernote files to PST straightforwardly. In the Welcome window, read all guidelines and then after click on the Next button. Now, the program offers two modes to choose Evernote data from the saved location. First, let's check the Select File option and browse the required Evernote file from the saved location. User can also check the Select Folder option to bulk upload Evernote files in a folder from the saved location. Click on Next button. Now, the software analyzes your chosen file/folder and locate in the software interface. Please mark the checkbox of the required Evernote file. Click on Next button. Now go to the Saving option. Here you can see the multiple saving options are available. Check JPG from the Select Saving option list. After that, go to the Tag Filter option. Check the Use Advanced settings for tag filters. Now, enable the option as per the requirements. The Manage Notes as per the tag allows to export data from the Tags folder. Next, come the read-only tags starting with, this will help only export the tag you will enter in the field. Go to Previous window. Go to folder-like icon and browse the location on your system to save the final outcome. After that click on the Convert button. The process of converting Evernote files to JPG is running and you can check the number of files converted. Tool converted only 5 Evernote files in trial version. The tool drops a complete conversion message after the process completion. Click on OK button. The software will open the destination location of the resultant file.